Hey everyone, good evening. It's Scott McGregor at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Firstly, I'm not sure if you're aware, we actually have a crypto service at Stock Market Mentor. It's called Crypto Market Mentor, and we have hundreds of members from all over the world who are trading cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana actively on a trend following basis and on a short-term basis. And so if you're interested in trading crypto or learning more about digital assets, you should definitely join us over at Crypto Market Mentor. Just click stockmarketmentor.com and follow the links. I want to just give you my thoughts here on MicroStrategy. A lot of us at Crypto Market Mentor have been trading this since 2023. I have this in my wife's account, and I think her cost basis is like $45 or something like that. So this has definitely been a big winner for us in the short-term trading perspective because it's a great swing trader, but also in the long-term trend perspective. I think this is a stock that you want to be long or at least be looking at. As long as Bitcoin remains in a strong uptrend, this tends to be a great performer. And it does trade pretty orderly despite the volatility. We've seen these patterns play out time and time again here in MicroStrategy, where we have choppy consolidation and then a nice big advance, pushing the stock up a lot, followed by choppy consolidation in and around the 50-day moving average. So we've seen this movie play out before, and we're seeing this set up again as we see MicroStrategy right now just under the 50-day moving average. Now, for an actionable trade on this, I want to see MicroStrategy get above and stay above that 50-day moving average, and ideally give us a close over 382 for a definite higher high and to signal a potential trend change on this chart. Now, if you get that, you could use the 50-day moving average as your level to define your risk off of, and then as long as the stock is holding above the 50-day, you're long, and if it breaks down below, then you're out of the trade. But this is definitely what I'm looking for tomorrow, especially because Bitcoin has shown a lot of relative strength in this market. If I bring up IBIT, we can see IBIT is well above the 50-day moving average and holding the 8-day and the 21-day right now. Meanwhile, we see SPY down under all the major moving averages. So Bitcoin holding up better than SPY right now. And if you're going to play Bitcoin, I think one of the best ways to do it is by trading MicroStrategy. Now, they do have earnings coming up in early February, but from what I understand, it could be a very interesting earnings as MicroStrategy is adopting the FASB fair accounting rules when it comes to their Bitcoin holdings. So we may see some fireworks in the stock as we lead up to their earnings report coming up in early February. Now, as always, at StockMarketMentor.com, we recommend not holding a stock over earnings unless you have a cushion, just because otherwise you're pretty much gambling. So that's my thoughts here on MicroStrategy, and I have more thoughts on Bitcoin and digital assets over at Crypto Market Mentor via StockMarketMentor.com. My name is Scott McGregor at Scott Trades on Twitter. I'll see you in the next one.